Today we're going to bring an NVMe reader. We do have a 980 here that we're going to install in here. They give me a thermal tape. If you guys can see that, I like that. That is a plus, a thermal tape. And then the actual connection, you got a type C to type A and then type C to type C. All right. So to open it up, it's simple. You just push the button here. If you guys can see that, push the button, just push the button down and this comes out easily. All right. We're going to install the 980 in here. If you guys can see that, it has a track here that you can move it to a lower end. So 80 millimeters we're going to install today. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to grab our 980. If you guys can see that, 980 goes in here. You got to face it down. So there is a couple of things you should know because there is a sleeve. It will not do M or B. It has to be an NVMe, right? So just make sure that it has a little cut right in the corner in order to use it. All right, we're inserting it. I'm going to insert it again. So when you insert it, make sure it's facing up. All right. It has to be up, and now all you got to do is drop it down. But before you do that, make sure you lock it in place, and then we're going to add the actual thermal tape so it could conceal inside, and it'll keep it cool too also. So let's go ahead and lock it in, push it back. If you guys can see it, push it back, and then push it forward, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Back forward. It's a rail system. It could actually go all the way to the bottom in case you got a smaller one. So, all right, we're going to grab our drive. All right. It's a type C to type C. I have a Surface here. We're going to plug it in and we're going to open it up. And when you open this up, if you haven't formatted, if you want to use it as your primary, you could. You will have to just install Windows. But right now, we're going to use it as secondary, 2 terabytes. And it's not going to be our primary, but we're going to set it up. So make sure it's plugged in, all right? And all you got to do is go into disk management, if you guys can see that. And it automatically identified the drive. We're going to say OK on that one. And it's right here. It's a 2 terabytes. Right now it's showing 1863, all right? So, but it's using priority space for other things, devices, because it does have firmware. So we're going to format this one. We're going to right click on it. You hold on here. Right click, new volume. Next, and we're just going to keep it as is. We're going to call it D, assign D for now. NTFS, we're going to do that. Finish. And that's it. That's pretty much, we're going to format. It formats it. And now we're able to see it. And it's blue, if you guys can see. So we're transferring about 35 gigs. And it's telling me it's going to take about a minute to transfer. That's how fast the transfer rate is working on it. If you guys can see, I'm not going to touch it, but when you're transferring right now, that's 35 gigs on the NVMe. NVMe, if you guys can see that, it's running really quick and it's about almost done. And that's 35 gigs on transferring. It's pretty fast drive. I hope you guys enjoy the video.